Welcome back to the Microsoft Word Masterclass. In episode 1, we created and saved our very first Microsoft Word document. Today, we're going to transform that simple document into something clean, organized, and professional, using just a few easy formatting tools. Watch this carefully. Within just a few minutes, this basic document will be transformed into something you can confidently submit for school, work, or business. Let's begin by selecting the entire document using Ctrl+A. Now choose a clean professional font such as Aptos, Calibri, or Arial. These fonts are modern, easy to read, and suitable for almost every type of document. Next, use consistent font sizes to create a neat appearance. Make the main title around 20 points and keep the body text at 11 or 12 points. Your title should stand out, so make it bold, slightly larger than the rest of the text, and center align it for a polished look. Now let's improve the paragraph formatting. Left alignment is perfect for most documents, while justified alignment gives reports and longer documents a cleaner, more professional appearance. To make your content easier to read, increase the line spacing to 1.5. This simple change creates more white space and makes the document feel less crowded. When you need to present multiple points, avoid typing symbols manually. Instead, use Microsoft Word's built-in bullet list feature to create clean, organized lists. You should also know when to use basic text formatting. Use bold to highlight important information, italics to add emphasis, and use underline only when it's truly necessary, since too much underlining can make a document look cluttered. Now compare your document with the original version. With just a few formatting changes, it looks cleaner, more readable, and much more professional. One final tip: always keep the same font size, spacing, and overall formatting consistent throughout your document. Consistency is what gives any document a polished and professional appearance. Excellent work! Your document now looks far better than it did in episode 1. In the next lesson, you'll discover the most useful Microsoft Word keyboard shortcuts that can save you hours of work every week. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to FRIT Hub, and I'll see you in episode 3.